It's another Real Talk Philippines exclusive for the 10th Nation Builders and Muslim Awards here in Okada, Manila, Philippines. And we're lucky to have one of the sponsors for this night's recognition. We have no less the CEO of Aerodite. We have Sir Erwin Bernal. Hello, sir.
Hi, good evening, everyone. Good evening.
Yeah, first, tell us something. What is Aerodite and ano yung services ninyo?
Okay, well, Erudite is actually a training and consulting firm based in the Philippines. We are focusing on asset management, reliability engineering, and a total asset life cycle of physical assets.
So you focus more on physical assets. Kung may kailangan ng i-reclaim or kailangan ng i-demolish, you're the one na pwede tawagan nila.
In a way, it's part of that because we're talking about total asset life cycle. Erudite anchors on the Philippine government asset management policy. That is a policy that is created by Department of Budget Management, Department of Finance, and NEDA. So we talk about how we can help LGUs build their asset registry and help them in their maintenance and reliability of their critical assets, such as roads, perhaps if they are overseeing electric distribution or perhaps water districts. We are part of that. The same manner we do it with the private sector.
Wow. Pero mas maraming kliyente nyo ngayon nasa public sector or government?
Actually, most of our clients are in the private.
Right.
So we're talking about power generation, manufacturing, transport, but we would like to bring the best practices in the private sector to the government.
Kailangan talaga niya natin yan, di ba? Para una, mabawasan ng corruption siguro sa ating mga LGUs. It may be a big help. Tama ba?
Yes, because our approach is data-driven decision making. So by having a robust asset registry, we know what LGU's assets are. And by knowing what you have, you know how to properly manage them, looking at its whole total asset life cycle.
It's very important kasi talagang isa ito sa parang nawawala when it comes to LGUs. So napapansin namin, kami as into media, di ba? Parang bahala na lang masira or what, which is they don't have really the management kung paano aayusin yung mga assets ng LGUs natin.
Exactly. So as taxpayers, we want to hold our officials accountable by the assets that they procure. And these assets need to be taken care of, right? So we need to make sure that the assets that we acquire are based on decisions, based on data that really brings about a sustainable and a livable community across the Philippines.
So talagang pwede rin kayo kahit pre-procurement pa lang, di ba? So that you can analyze if it's really needed of these LGUs or not. Ganun ba? Tama ba ako?
Exactly, right on point. Because in an total asset life cycle, you determine what is really important, right? So understanding what is really important and understanding how to properly manage them, not just let it go to waste and break down. So us, we advocate that, and that is essentially what the PGAMP, or the Philippine Government Asset Management Policy, is enforcing. Right now, it's actually required among agencies. It started with DPWH, with DOH, and DepEd. However, the agencies that are actually part of that are going to be rolled out in the next couple of years. LGUs, as a matter of fact, is actually highly recommended to follow this Philippine Government Asset Management Policy.
And marami tayong mga followers na nasa LGUs, and we're looking forward that Erudite will help you on your procurement. Sige, paano ba nila kayo makakontakt or paano kayo maaaring makipag-ugnayan sa mga LGUs and sa Erudite?
Thank you. So for Erudite, you can always visit our website, erudite.com.ph. You can also send us an email at info@erudite.com.ph. And also, if you want to learn more about the Philippine Government Asset Management Policy, we're happy to share with you some information about how you can align with this PGAMP. So if you need to learn how to properly manage your critical assets, we're more than happy and honored to be of support, and we are committed to your success.
Thank you very much for your time, Sir Erwin.
Welcome, and congratulations once again to all our nation builders, to the sustainable and livable communities. And let's build together the future that we can all be proud of.
Surely, sa tulong ng Erudite, mas marami pang magiging LGU corruption-free sa ating bansa. My name is Leo and this is Real Talk Philippines. Good evening.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.